Chill, motherfuckers. It's your boy YT, motherfuckers. Doing it big for the 21 cents. All up in your grill, cause that's your bitch. That's my bitch. Yeah, let's go. Baby, you ratchet, but I kinda like it. Yes, I like it. From the things you do, the way you move, you got me in the zone, and I'm feeling so good, so cool, so hood. Now, bitch, you ratchet, bitch, you hoe. Everybody know you be fucking for the dough. Oh, you a capital H-O-E, the biggest of the hoe, can't you see? Bitch, you ratchet, bitch, you hoe, you hoe. It's all good and it's all gravy, baby. You gotta make your money and hit the shit daily. Hit the track, girl, make the money, get your money's worth, girl. But don't settle for less, but don't you know I'm the one that beat your girl. Oh, yeah, she's a silly ass groupie, out to fuck the dough. One thing I know for sure, that I never love a hoe. Fuck that bitch, now fuck that hoe. And everybody know that bitch is thirsty ass hoe, she's a thot. And this shit can't stop me, won't be stopped, cause I've been doing shit since nights. And best believe she got a fatty. I find it, fuck her and forget him. Now bitch, I don't love her, bitch, I just fuck her. I'm bruising, choosing, she shows up and I do it. Now I do it like that, nigga, I could easily. You know what's up, bro, you know what's up, bro. Regular